Hi everyone, I'm here to show you how to sideload Engage onto your Oculus Quest. The first thing we need to do is to create an organization with Oculus. So we want to go to dashboard.oculus.com/organization/create. We want to make sure we give it a name. I'm just going to go with something like Fancy Games or Fancy Thing, that'll do fine. I'm going to click Understand and then Submit. And then we want to agree to the user license agreement as well. Once we've done that, we'll head over to our phone, to the Oculus app you would have installed when setting up your Quest. You want to select Settings on the bottom right, give your headset a tap. It'll just take a few seconds to connect. Perfect, there it is. And once that's done, we want to click on More Settings, Developer Mode, and make sure that's switched on. And now that we've done that, we can now download the Engage Android installer from engagevr.io. I'm just going to download it now. You can see it on the bottom left. Give it a click. And once that's installing, you'll want to grab your headset, your Oculus Quest, and your USB-C cable. Let that installer go through, hit install. Should only take a couple of seconds. And then once that's done, it'll ask you if you want to run Engage Android installer. You do, and then click Finish. That'll pop up our installer. The next thing we need to do is plug in our headset with the USB-C cable, and you'll see in your headset this screen pop up. Do you want to allow USB debugging? I recommend clicking Always Allow from this computer and then OK. Always Allow just means that you won't have to do it each time you plug your USB-C cable with your headset into your PC. Now that we've allowed that permission, we can go back to our Android installer, and you'll see here popping up now, Oculus Quest, battery 98% and charging. And now we just need to install Engage. So we're going to click Automatic Install, select Oculus Quest as our headset, and then click the Install button. This will take about 1 to 2 minutes to run through, depending on the speed of your internet connection, but it's usually quite quick. Perfect, and now that that install is completed, we can head into our headset. You'll see here in our headset, we're in our Oculus Quest. We want to go down to Library at the bottom, then over to Unknown Sources and select Engage. Then it'll just ask for a couple of permissions to get going. So that's all there is to it, guys. Nice and easy. I hope you found this helpful, and thank you very much.